Today, we are presenting our research on Sambong extract ointment for wound healing. I am Alma Marie D. Dayo. I am Jugona B. Ramos.
I'm Kevin C. Galena.
I'm Vince G. Lacanes.
And I am Nicolito D. Orpolfi.
I am Dixie Janae L. Maniago.
And we are the researchers for today. Wound healing is complex and can be impaired by factors like diabetes and aging. Filipinos advantages herbal medicine for wound care. Sambong contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, yet lacks scientific validation for wound healing. Our study evaluates its effectiveness through controlled trials. Our research questions are: what is Sambong ointment efficacy in wound closure regarding size and rate? Is there a significant difference between 25%, 50%, 75% concentrations versus methanol?
For our conceptual framework, the independent variable is the variety of Sambong Mielis Ferra dried leaf ethanolic extract in contrast to betadine or sulfide iodine. Our dependent variable is the open wound closure. Our methodology used RCT design with white mice divided by treatment groups. We created Sambong extract using ethanol soaked leaf powder mixed with paraffin for cream. Wounds were created ethically, treated daily with 0.4 grams of cream, and monitored for changes.
Our results regarding wound size show. In the table 1, it presents the average wound size of laboratory mice for each treatment after 10 days. Presented by the table above, the 75% Sambong ethanolic dried leaf extract ointment showcase a remarkable effectiveness, achieving an average wound closure of 9.8 square millimeter in the course of 10 days, followed by 50% dried leaf extract ointment and 25% dried leaf extract ointment, healing in consecutive order with an average of 8.9 square millimeter and 8.5 square millimeters after 10 days. These results relate to study conducted by Rezende Costa 2019. The study concluded by dicentrica leaves have a significant impact on human health and may be powerful natural wound healing agent. In Table 2, it illustrates the average wound closure rates across all treatments over one time interval. 75% Lumea balsamifera ethanolic dried leaf extract ointment exhibited that the highest wound closure rate in the entire interval at a rate of 65.56% in 10 days, followed by the 50% and 25%. 50% has a 59.11%, while the 25% have a 56.67 wound closure rate in the same time interval. These findings relate to the research conducted by NIAC B 2019. It was found that the concentration of carica papaya promotes significant wound healing in rats, with the highest rate of 89%, where the wound treated by the control group closed with a rate of 82%.
Table 3 presents the comparison of wound healing outcomes among various treatments, resulting in a p-value of 0.002 is below the conventional significance of 0.05%, demonstrating a statistically significant difference among the treatments. The data gathered has 3 degrees of freedom between groups and 8 degrees of freedom within groups. The F statistic is calculated as 12.588. Thus, based on these findings, we have gathered enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. The conclusions of this research are: Sambong extract accelerates wound healing activity. The 75% Sambong concentration delivers optimal healing results. The higher concentrations correlate with faster wound closure. Sambong outperforms standard betadine treatment, and consistent wound reduction occurred throughout 10 weeks. These results strongly indicate that Sambong's potential as a natural wound remedy. I'll now hand over to our time for our other research.
Based on our study, we recommend first, further studies to explore Sambong's healing mechanisms. Second, clinical trials to test Sambong's efficacy on human subject. Third, developing standardized formulation for medical use. Fourth,
investigating potential synergistic effects with other treatments. 5th, exploring applications for different wound types. 6. Conducting long-term studies on scarring and complete tissue healing. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who contributed to the completion of this research. Special thanks to our research advisor, Sir Romel Diaz, for his invaluable guidance and support, and to our research teacher, Mr. Kirby Adrian Arsenio, for his encouragement and mentorship throughout the process.
We also extend our sincere appreciation to Negros producers for providing us access to their laboratory facilities and to our statistician, Sir Jolie Patiduan, for his expertise and assistance in analyzing our data. To our families, thank you for your unwavering love and support. Lastly, to our unlazy and supportive research group, thank you for your dedication and teamwork that made this study possible. In summary, our research demonstrates some bone potential as an effective natural bone treatment. The 75 concentration proved most effective, outperforming conventional methadone treatment. Our findings contribute to the scientific validation of traditional medicine and offer a promising alternative for wound care. Thank you for your attention. We welcome your questions.